Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are an Uber driver and you just got a new car or you are switching vehicles, you need to add that new vehicle in the Uber driver app before you can start using it. So it's a quick process, but you will need to upload some documents and wait for their approval. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to do it right. Now, before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to launch your Uber drivers application and then log in into your account. Afterwards, you need to tap on your account tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here on this page, you will see the list of all of the vehicles that you are using. So you need to select the vehicle which you are using. So tap on the vehicles option here and then tap on the option of add vehicle, or you will see the plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you need to start providing your vehicle related details like the license plate, make and model number and the year. Once done, you will have to also upload the required documents like vehicle registration, insurance, or possibly a vehicle inspection from depending on your city. Then you need to submit everything and wait for Uber to review and approve the vehicle, which usually takes from 24 to 48 hours. Once everything is approved successfully, you will be able to select your new car when going online. Now, if you face any kind of problems while doing so, you need to come in your account and tap on the account tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, tap on the help option and you can seek help from the Uber customer support team in this regard. So this is how you can add a new vehicle in the Uber Eats drivers application. I will also put the link of this particular article down in the description in case any of the options changes. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. If you have any questions, you can let me know that in the comment section below as well. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.